Okay, let me start. I found that there is no Chinese English translator today, so I must speak English. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Professor Yang Guihuang from Ecology Institute of Shandong Academy of Science. I'm glad. My title of report is Strategic Plan of Shandong toward a carbon neutral city. My report has three contents. First, the general introduction of Shandong. Second, the main experience and practice. The last is the next step of working ideas. Let's say first part. Shandong is a development province in eastern China, and the gross domestic product ranks third in China, and its energy consumption, coal consumption, and carbon dioxide emissions level rank all first in China. Shandong coal consumption is accounting 2/3 of the total energy consumption of Shandong. The total energy consumption of Shandong is large, and coal accounts for a high proportion. Is the main reason for the large carbon emission. Shandong has completed industrial categories and the heavy industry. Shandong has obvious feature of high carbon. Shandong economic is such as the elephant economy. The second part is the main experience of practice of carbon emission reduction about Shandong. Provincial part commission and government attend great importance to this work. It is proposed that the carbon dioxide emissions peak will be reached about 2023 year. Therefore, considering various factors, Shandong set different goals of the peak year in every regions, such as Qingdao and Yantai City will strive to achieve the peak goal about 2020. Jinan and Weifang City will strive to achieve the peak goal about 2025, and the other cities will achieve the peak about 2027, and as soon as possible. Shandong carry out many kinds of low carbon flight demonstration, such as low carbon cities, low carbon town, and low carbon industrial zone, and so on. And Shandong employed 5 action plans in several years, such as low carbon energy double, low carbon life, low carbon transport, low carbon building and environmental protective industry. Shandong carbon dioxide reduction rate during the 13 5-year plan period is 2.5%, but by 2019, carbon intensity has been reduced by 22.7% compared with 2015, exceeding the annual accumulated target. The third part is the next step work ideas. Take multiple measures to promote carbon emissions reduction in Shandong and achieve carbon peak and carbon neutral targets as early as possible. Specific include administration means, technical means, market means, and capacity building, and simple mechanism, forcing mechanism, and regulator mechanism, and so on. A double carbon action plan as soon as possible. Explain the path of low carbon and zero carbon translation. Calculate the building of a carbon trading market and increase the stress of scientific and technology support. Intensity departmental cooperation and form joint workforce. Next, from two parts, carry out works from supply side and consumption side. Let's first say supply side. Include following paths: improve quality and carry out source reduction. Make full use of residual heat and pressure, and expand the sale of non-core substitution. Increase the sale of new and renewable energy. Consumption side is improvement acute statistics and stress energy saving and promote high quality development. Control the sale of energy in industries, development industry with low carbon and energy consumption. In addition, promote green translation of industrial and insist the low carbon development and achieve our zero carbon goal. So thank you.